Hey guys, Ethan's Elvis Covers and More back today with the brand new baseball card opening video. Today I have a 2017 Topps Series 2 blaster box. Clayton Kershaw's on the front. We've done a lot of retail so far. We've done a few $2 packs, a $5 pack, and two $10 hanger boxes. So go check out those videos. I had a couple special guests. Series 2 is pretty nice. You get one Independence Day silhouetted batter logo patch card in here, so excited to see what those look like. You get 10 cards, or 10 packs and 10 cards each. So we'll save the patch until the end. You guys let me know if you got anything out of Series 2. Here we go. There's the packs with Kershaw on the front. Here we go. You guys let me know how you're liking them. There's the base if you haven't already seen. Logan Forsythe. John Lackey. David Robertson. Here's a nice Bryce Harper insert there. Nice Harper. That's the 87 inserts. Here is a Brad Ziegler foil. Rainbow foil. Awesome here. David Ortiz, my favorite player. 541 home runs. Albert Pujols, base. Just hit his 600th home run. That's awesome. On to pack 2. Jed Lowry, Stephen Wright, Zach Godley, Glenn Perkins. Here's a Frank Thomas. These are a top salute. Here's the Independence Day Max Scherzer. You get 5 of these now in the blasters. Cespedes, Alejandro Diaz, Sean Kelly, and an MLB The Show code. On to pack 3. Michael Pineda, Mark Trumbo, Anthony Rizzo. Oh, this is awesome right here. Team card, Boston Red Sox Gold, number 2017. You all know that's my favorite team. And the outfielders are doing their thing here after a win. That's awesome. Gold. Edgar Martinez, all-time All-Stars. Here's a nice MLB All-Star Game MVP. Here's a new insert, King Griffey Jr. Nice. Max Scherzer. That was a good pack. Curtis Granderson. Chris Owings. Nice Hanley Ramirez. Tony Cingrani. Here's a nice Ichiro Memorable Moments. Makes his MLB debut. Here's another Independence Day, Buster Posey. Couple rookies, Max Kepler, Rob Refsnyder. Next pack. Zach Davies, Martin Maldonado, Jorge De La Rosa, Evan Longoria. I don't know this guy's last name. He's a rookie, Rob Daskrinsky, maybe. That's the 1987 for the Cubs. Bonnie Hunt, first pitch. She's an actress. Back with the first pitch. Carlos Gonzalez. You guys let me know what you got. Like I said, I should be getting some hobby in. Maybe a jumbo box next week. So, see how those are. Cincinnati Reds team card. Jacoby Jones. Top salute. And Jose Altuve. Independence Day. Kyle Seager, Yadier Molina. Next pack. Cameron Rupp, Jock Peterson, Jung Ho Gong. Here's a Andre Dawson, all-time All-Stars. And a MVP award, Joe Morgan for the Reds. Like the old-time Reds. Jose Altuve. So we got 3 regular packs to go, then the patch card. Chad Bettis, DJ LeMahieu, Jackie Robinson. And here is a short print. Yep, this is a short print. Max Scherzer. That's one of the short prints this year. I don't know how rare these are or anything. You guys let me know if you know. It's got a different code on it. That's the short print. Yeah, I've seen that one. Max Scherzer. That's awesome. And a nice Chris Bryant Independence Day. That's awesome too. Trey Mancini rookie. Matt Whistler. 2 more packs. That Scherzer is pretty nice. Short print variation. You guys let me know, like I said. Jorge Alfaro rookie. The 87 insert. Here's another Max Scherzer insert. Nice. 20 strikeouts in a game. Gio Gonzalez. And the last pack before the patch. There's a nice Andrelton Simmons. Look at that base. Got fire in the background. That's pretty cool. George Brett. Here's a Go TJ Rivera for the Mets, numbered out of 2017. And a Chris Davis Independence Day. Aaron Sanchez. So here's the Independence Day MLB silhouetted batter logo patch card inside. So we'll see who this is. There's like 50 different ones to get. So it is Joe Mauer. These are really nice though. They're not really a patch, or kind of like plastic, hard plastic. But it's got the MLB logo with the USA flag in the background. Those are pretty nice. Joe Mauer. So there it is. Quick recap. Got the Scherzer short print, not bad from a blaster, and Joe Mauer Independence Day. So there we go. Gonna sign off. Hope y'all enjoyed. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.